G'day folks, if you're interested in learning BJJ from white belt all the way through to black belt, check out my website at www.bjjsyllabus.com. In there I have a whole bunch of online courses that can take you from white belt to blue belt to purple belt to brown belt to black belt and all the stripes in between. So check out the website, I'm sure there's something you'll like, www.bjjsyllabus.com for all your BJJ grading requirement needs. Check it out.
So in this class we're going to go through a basic sweep. So I start off with my left hand controlling his left wrist, his right wrist, my right hand in his collar or around his neck so I can keep him coming forward when I want to. My legs are around his waist, he stands up on his left foot. When that happens, I undo my feet, put all my weight on his left thigh and pivot my body so my left foot goes flat on the floor and my right knee goes across his body until my foot hooks his side. Now I don't want to have my knee pointing to the floor because that can put weird pressure on my knee. I want to have my knee 45 degrees from up and across, so nice and comfortable so it's nice and strong. From there I simply just pivot my legs, collapse my legs, pulling forward with my right hand and just sweep them across and we end up on the mount. So let's do that again. So I've got my grips, got my legs locked, he stands up on his left foot, undo my feet, put my knee across, straighten my body. So my body's nice and strong, it's not on a weird pressure, it's not weirdly twisted. I then collapse my leg, scissor my feet, bring him over, end up on the mount. We'll do it a couple more times. Feet are locked, got my grips, stands up. Basic sweep, across to the mount. One more. Left hand controls the right sleeve, right hand in his collar, feet are locked, he stands up on his left foot, undo my feet, pivot on his legs, straighten my hips, collapse, scissor, sweep, come onto the top, end up on the mount, and that's our basic sweep.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them, and give the video a thumbs up. See you next time.